Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've picked a suitable image. Now begin. First, confirm the file is accessible in Pictures or Desktop so permissions aren't an issue. Next, open Display or Personalization settings, right-click the desktop or press Start and type Settings, then Personalization. Doing this starts the change immediately and prevents wasting time locating files later. Make sure you're in the Background section. That's where Windows, macOS, or many desktop environments let you point to an image and preview how it will appear. Once in Background, click Browse and pick your image. That links the file directly. Then choose how it fits. Fill for cropping, fit to keep full image, stretch if sizes differ, tile for patterns, center for small images, or span across multiple monitors. This selection controls both appearance and image quality, so experiment briefly. Select Fill for single-screen wallpapers, Span for panoramic setups. If colors or cropping look off, check display orientation and resolution, and adjust the picture or display setting. Apply the change and then lock or minimize to confirm the wallpaper appears as expected. If you want rotating backgrounds, enable slideshow, pick a folder, set interval and optional shuffle. This automates variety without manual changes. Finally, if the new wallpaper won't stick, troubleshoot. Ensure the image file format is supported, the resolution matches or scales well, and you have read permission for the folder. If a corporate policy overrides settings, contact your administrator. Otherwise, replacing the file with a compatible image usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.